This video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Litmatch account if you're having trouble logging in. If you want to retrieve your account and all the associated data and information, stick with me until the end of this video to learn how to do it. First, open up the Litmatch app and wait until you reach the login page. Then, tap on Having Login Problems to access the account recovery page. Here, you'll be asked to select the type of login issue you're experiencing. Next, enter your Litmatch nickname and the birthday you used to sign up for your account. You can also enter the email address associated with your account to receive updates on the recovery process. Once you've entered all the required information, tap on Submit Request. You'll receive an email from Litmatch with further instructions on how to retrieve your account. The email will provide you with links to follow and the steps to take. It's a simple process, and I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through it. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.